3 reasons why aspiring artists delay making a solid decision to start their professional journey. Number one, they wait for the perfect situation to start their professional journey, which will never arise. They wait for the external factors to be perfect for them to start. They want their spouse or their siblings, friends, relatives, parents, everyone to support them, to make them feel that this is the right decision you need to do, but actually that thing will never be there. So they just keep on postponing, waiting for the right situation, but that situation will never come. If you are an artist and you are planning to become a professional artist and you are also waiting for a perfect situation to start your professional journey, then please stop waiting. There will never be a perfect situation. The second reason is they think that they are not good enough. They think that they need to first acquire a lot of skills and then start their professional journey. They think that something is missing in them. There are a lot of people who think that they are too young, or they are too old, or they are too different, or they are not suitable, right fit to become a professional artist. Think that their English is not that good, or their way of communication is not that great, and they keep on telling themselves why they should not become a professional artist, whereas in deep inside their heart they have that dream, that goal of becoming a professional artist. In case you are a person who wanted to become a professional artist and earn the money from your art skills, and you are in a situation where you feel that you are not good enough, you feel that you are not suitable for this profession, you feel that there are hundreds and thousands of artists out there, why you should be one among them, if you feel that why clients will come to you and not to anybody else, then think like this: do you really think that there is a place in this world for another professional artist, another one single professional artist? If the answer is yes, in that case, that can be you. Expecting confidence before competence is a foolishness. If you are expecting you to feel confident, if you are expecting yourself to talk in a polished manner, if you are expecting yourself to be highly skilled before starting, in that case your expectation is incorrect. Competence gives confidence. If you are competent, then it will help you feel confident. So, and this confidence, that feeling, comes from competence, and competence comes from experience. Once you are getting some experience, good experience, not so good experience, then you start feeling confidence. I started learning watercolors when I was patient of depression. I was addicted towards antidepressants and sleeping pills. When I was struggling to take care of all the household works, and that was the time when I started to paint with watercolors. I had absolutely no clue that one fine day I will become a professional artist and I will become a business mentor for other professional artists. When I started, it was like absolutely horrible situation. But then I started because I wanted to start. I wanted to start because I wanted to overcome the depression. I wanted to get rid of the addiction of antidepressant sleeping pills. And that's why I started. Understand your why. That will help you feel more powerful. Understand why you want to become a professional artist. Understand what is making you feel that you want to earn money in your art business. If you understand the why will help you to move forward. If you are planning to think about the how you're going to do things, in that case that will only help you feel underconfident and demotivated, right? So the third reason why most artists face a hard time, take a solid decision to start their professional journey, is they have got absolutely no clue what to do and how to do it, what are the ways in which artists can earn money, and how they can get high paying clients. So that is the how part again. So if you more and more you focus on the how part, the less and less you feel motivated. In fact, it will discourage you to take any action. So when you have got no clue how to start working as a professional artist, the best thing you can do is to take guidance, not from friends, family, spouse, parents, but to take guidance from an artist who is already thriving, who is already making huge amount of progress, who is already achieving financial goals. And if you get a nice clarity session from them, in that case, that will help you to feel how you can make the progress and what exactly is the path that you need to take. So I do provide clarity session. If you are a professional artist or you are trying to become a professional artist and want to get clarity, then you can check out on my website or on my Instagram how you can get a free clarity session from me. Okay, so these are the three reasons why artists struggle to make a solid decision to start the professional journey and why you should not be one among them.